It's now reading the right voltage, around 15 volts. Shut the power off and watch this. Power's now off. Waiting. Waiting. There we go. This was no load. Now this thing's still lethal. It's scary to death. This is what was bad. $2,200 to 35 volts. If I get my hands on one of those, I might change out this little fella in here, which is 4,700 at 35 volts. Probably responsible for the low speed of the drain off here. There's no resistors across this, so yeah, you're going to kill yourself if you touch that sucker. And there's no bleeder resistors. I don't know why, but they should have probably put a 10k ohm bleeder resistor or something. I'll see what I can find. But she's running, and it's got next to no ripple on the wave. As hang on here, we'll demonstrate. There's the ripple. There isn't any. Here's your ripple now. Used to be 5 volts. So, there you go.